Knowing a C4ISR system inside out enables you to make better and faster decisions in demanding situations. At Systematic, we believe that a well-founded training program plays an important part in strengthening your unit's skills and readiness. That's the idea behind SitaWare Aspire, our new digital training platform. The training courses in SitaWare Aspire are developed on the basis of best practices from domain experts with years of operational experience. This is your guarantee that your troops are trained in realistic scenarios that accurately reflect actual workflows. To make the exercises as realistic and relevant as possible, SitaWare Aspire allows your trainees to work hands-on during their training with the software they will be using in real-life operations. Through the integration of the actual SitaWare solution, the courses in SitaWare Aspire adds an extra dimension to C4ISR training. It's not just something you read, it's something you do. As the courses are accessible at any time and place, SitaWare Aspire enables you to train as you fight, when and where you want to. This flexibility allows you to boost the training efforts that in the end help you maximize your C4ISR capabilities.